in this cave. You messed everything up.
Well, what do we do now? Wow! Come over here!
It's so stunning!
What's wrong with you guys? It's a crystal! Ooh!
It's out! I can help you! Mew Mew, be careful!
What's the red thing down there? It's too hot in here.
Magma! That's magma! We're dead. It's gonna turn me into a hot dog.
I got it! We'll be safe so we can get to the other side! Let's jump across! Wow! Brilliant!
Let me go first. Hey!
Ah! Haha, we're safe! Mr. Dell, thank you!
Oh no!
Oh, I'm safe too.
Oh no! What have I done? Oh no! What can I do? What do I do now? Do I do now? Master, you'll never see me again. Please help me. Yeah! Pull me up! Come on!
It's too hot. I'm choking.
I wanna go home! Everybody calm down! Let's go over there! There might be another way out!
Right, let's go.
That's the only way.
It's so hot! Ah! Was I just floating? Mew Mew, come over here! Hey! Wow, I made it!